Hello students, in today's session of inequality, very basics will be cleared of greatest integer function and fractional part function through illustrations. In earlier session, we have discussed the inequality on modulus functions, which you can review on CET. I will also like to say NEET 2025 physics paper detailed solution available on website cetsuitplan.com. JEE Main 2025 maths paper detailed solution available on CET, which you can go there and have the solution. Now, एक रिक्वेस्ट और रहेगी, अगर अभी तक आपने CET यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियोस तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स and colleagues को share कीजिए. Now let's start with the concept and questions. Concept regarding greatest integer function and fraction part function. Greatest integer function is denoted by this box. Fraction part function is denoted by this one. That is equal to x. Means its answer is integral part of x. Integral part of x. Its answer is fractional part of x. And sum of greatest integer function plus fractional part function equal to given number. Equal to given number. Right? And domain of function. Greatest integer function is R. Integral part is, and range of the function is I. In this case, 0, 1. X belongs to 1. 0. Right? This concept will be used in the questions discussed here. And property x equal to x plus minus x. There are two possible answers, 0 or minus 1. 0 if x belongs to integer, if x does not belong to integer. That is 3.2 minus 3.2. Answer will be 3. Its answer will be 3 and minus 4. That is minus 1. This is the answer. Or 4 minus 4. 4 plus minus 4. Answer is 0. All these concepts will be used here. Right? Now let's start with the question. Question is, solve for x. Greatest integer function minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. Concept applicable. Greatest integer function. Answer is integral of x plus fractional part function. Fractional part function. Answer is 0, 1, x less than 1, greater than 2. Answer is x. Means sum of greatest integer function GIF plus fractional part function equal to given number. Using this concept, answer is close interval 0 with open interval 1. Right? Now, start the question. X minus 8x plus x square, 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. Now using the relation x minus fraction part function minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 13 equal to fraction part function. Now introducing inequality. That is x belongs to 1 together in this case. ठीक है? So therefore x square minus 7x plus 13 will be less than 1 greater than equal to. Considering x square minus 7x plus 13 greater than equal to 0 means x square by spreading middle term not possible to x equal to minus b. First of all find d. Discriminant. So d is b square 49 minus 4 into 13 minus 3 less than 0 and coefficient of x square equal to 1. Therefore, given expression is always greater than 0 for all values of x. Graph will be like this. X-axis, y-axis. Graph will be like x. Therefore, x belongs to. From this information, x belongs to R. Right? Then, now considering this comes out to be x square minus 7x plus 13, x square minus 7x plus 13 less than 1. Right? X square minus 7x plus 12 less than 0. X minus 4, x minus 3. The number comes out to be 3, 4 inside. Since x belongs to 3, 4. Right? Now, to check, let x equal to 3. Substituting in given equation A. Equation A कौन सी है? Given equation. This equation 3 minus 8x minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. X minus 4 whole square. X equal to 4. Does not belongs to x belongs to 3, 4. Therefore, no solution. No solution. That is a. Therefore, no solution. Right? Next question. Question is solve for greatest integer function x minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. Concept applicable and solution. Concept applicable. One concept is greatest integer function plus fractional part function equal to given number. Means greatest integer function plus fractional part function equal to given number. Equal to given number. In this case, answer is integral value of x. In this case, answer is x will belongs to, answer will be 0, 1. That is fractional part only. Fractional part only. We will use this concept in this equation, right? Now let's start the question. Greatest integer function x minus 8x plus x square, 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. Minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. Now, at this place replacing x minus fractional part function minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. On simplification, we get x square minus 7x plus 13 equal to greatest integral fractional part function. Now, if we replace it, inequality will be introduced according to this. Now, x square minus 7x plus 13 less than 1 greater than equal to 0. Considering x square minus 7x plus 13 greater than equal to 0. This one first. Now, splitting of middle term is not possible. Then x, first of all find d. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. 49 minus 4 into 1 into 13. 49 minus 52. That is minus 3, negative. Means less than 0. It means, and coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square equal to 1. Therefore, coefficient no real roots, and it will be like this. It will be like this, right? Now, x belongs to R. Whatever the value of x may be taken, answer will be real value. Now considering x square minus 7x plus 13 less than 1. Considering x square minus x square minus 7x plus 13 minus 7x plus 13 x square minus 7x plus 13 less than 1. Less than 1. Less than 1. This comes out to be x square minus 7x plus 12 less than 0. X minus 3, x minus 4 less than 0. Means x belongs to 3, 4. X belongs to 3, 4. Means greatest integer function, we have to check here. to check at this one, because x belongs to greater than 3x, x is less than 4, greater than 3. So greatest integer function will be come out to be at this point 3, right? To check at substituting in given equation A. Equation A is this equation A, right? 3 minus 8x, 3 minus 8x plus x square plus 13 equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. X minus 4 whole square equal to 0. X equal to 4. X equal to 4. Therefore, as x does not belongs to 3, 4, therefore, no solution. No solution is the answer, right? Therefore, no solution. Therefore, no solution. So this concept applicable was greatest integer function plus fractional part function. From the first information we get d less than 0, it means it is for all values of x, right? It is always positive 1. And for less than 0, it comes out to be 3. For if we check it, then it does not satisfy this condition. Therefore, no solution, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, City Swiftler, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Very, very useful, helpful for all entrance examinations and board exams. Thank you.